Hi. Welcome to FluxBuilder, a no-code app builder creates iOS and Android apps for your websites, with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. Today we will show you how to build a progressive web app, PWA by the build feature of FluxBuilder. Let's start by logging into FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Now, open your active app and then, navigate to the build feature. Here, select the cloud option. Click the web option then to open the build screen of PWA. Before moving to the details, you can click on the guide here to refer. Open Build PWA Guide. The instruction included all steps from configuration to build the PWA. You can follow each step in this guide. Now back to the FluxBuilder and get started with Update Bundle ID step. Input your bundle ID and click Update button. Step 2, Update Firebase PWA. We have leave a short instruction for this step on FluxBuilder. You can make a quick check here. Or open the guide to know how exactly get the Firebase PWA. Let's open the Firebase console as the guide and open your project. Open Project Settings. In general, open the web app. Here, in my project, there are only two apps available, Android and iOS. Now I will click on Add App button to create a web app. After creating web app successfully, please open the web app. Here, click the copy button to save the config. And go to FluxBuilder, paste the config in this block. There is a small note for you. This config will support the app management on Firebase, sign in, sign up. In case you do not need it, it is possible to ignore the step. Now, move on to the next step, deployment. Please note that this step is optional. In case you are unable to enable the deployment option, we will send you the build folder. Otherwise, the web link will be delivered then. Choose an option. Fill in all required fields of that option. You can point the tooltip icon to get the corresponding guide to complete the config. Lastly, submit build. Update the app's information including app name, app version, app icon, and build version. For PWA, you should disable the option export env.dart and config JSON automatically. Then, upload the env.dart and config_n.json files of your web app. After that, click Upload Information button. If you want to undo, click the Discard button instead. Review your uploaded information once again. And click Submit Build button. When the status show running, your submit build is successful. Now wait for the new email is sent to you after the build finishes and continue to run your web app. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to be the first one watching new updates for free. Thank you.